As an account owner, you will be able to do the setup of the departments for this account. To do so, you click on Departments, Add Department, and you will need to fill up the details. Say for example, I create a sales department that is meant for the Singapore branch, and I may associate the relevant channels, relevant social channels to this department. So what it means is that if I were to choose WhatsApp, Facebook, and WebEx, so these three accounts, these three social channels are related to this sales department. And when incoming messages from these three channels were to route in, all the agents that is in the sales department will be able to receive that. But those that are not colored, the agents in the sales department will not have access to the messages here. So if I were to click Add, a new department will be created here. And if you would like to do some editing, you can click on the Edit button, and you may do the editing here, whether is it a department name, the description, or adding more channels. Say for example, I click Telegram and I update, you'll be able to see all the updates over here. And if you would like to delete a department, you may click on Delete and OK to delete the department and the relevant details that is tied to it.